What's up? How we doing? Today I want to talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Okay, let's hop right into it. So I personally think this is overpumped. We've recently, only in the past 5 days, have taken an 18% move. That is huge. Okay, not only have we taken a massive move with no healthy pullback, okay, every trend, it never goes straight up. Every trend needs a pullback in order to continue. We also have serious divergence here. Okay, seeing that on the RSI, serious divergence. We have not seen that divergence in the past, bearish divergence in the past 86 days. Okay, in this whole entire trend, we haven't seen that. So I think that's definitely something to pay attention to. Okay, I do have this line here for bullish divergence, which is this entry here, which I actually did call on my Twitter. If you want to check those types of things out, I do daily entries and exits on my Twitter. I'll leave the link in the description. But all of that just doesn't really make sense to me. The last reason is structure. Okay, we've hit this level 1, 2, bounced from this level this time. Okay, 4 times. And it does not make sense to me that we just smash through without any sort of, again, healthy pullback to continue the trend. Now, I do want to say, I don't want to be mistaken for saying that this is, we're still down in a complete downtrend. We're still technically in a bear market, but I do think this is a signal that bear market may be coming to a close. Okay, I just think we need a healthy pullback and then a continuation to finally break some of the larger lines of structure that we have. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it quick. The second reason is CPI data, which is releasing tomorrow. And I have it in my notes somewhere. Yes, of course, how can you miss it? The Ethereum merge. So I could be wrong about the CPI data. I could be wrong. If the CPI data is good, we might actually see another pump. But if that happens, right, I think technical analysis is incredibly important. If that happens, we are going to be hitting some serious lines of liquidity, serious area of the large term structure, large scale structure on Bitcoin. Okay, so I think if the CPI data is good, we might see a massive pump, and then everybody's getting along. That liquidity is going to get taken by institutionals, or by institutional money. So the second thing is, if the CPI data is bad, then you know what to expect. The second thing is the Ethereum merge. Well, the Ethereum merge is great. Okay, proof of stake makes a lot of sense. It's really a huge upgrade. They're going to be lowering their energy consumption to near zero. And compared to Bitcoin, that gives them a huge step. Bitcoin really hasn't made any upgrades. Okay, Ethereum's actually doing things. It's great, but does that mean that it'll draw in investors? I think investors were drawn in at the moment of the news. Hey, we're going to be merging Ethereum. That's when the investors put their money in. They're not going to wait until it actually merges, because there's going to be no difference in functionality. There's no reason for more people to buy. What are they getting out of it? Okay, so I think it's going to be the largest pump and dump. Personally, I personally think crypto logic is going to be the largest pump and dump we've ever seen. And I think it lines up perfectly with how overpumped the market is. And especially if the CPI data lines up as well, I think it could be a really profitable short. That's all I have today. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to let me know and give me a like. If you didn't like it, well, I guess let me know then as well. If you want to see more like this, subscribe and check out my Twitter again for daily entries and exit points. Jeez. On the market and all types of things. Hope you enjoy your day. I am out of here.